Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can check following a date on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, I'm going to open my Instagram application, and after that, we're going to go to our profile. I'm going to click on this profile button, and we can go to our followers or following a list, and I'm going to open my followers list. Okay, and here we can choose one of the account we want to check the following date on. For instance, I'm going to check the following date of this account. I'm going to check when I started following this account or when this account started following my Instagram. We can go to the account, tap on the account name, and you can click on these three dots, then click on see shared activity. Okay, and here guys, you will be able to check the following date on your Instagram. You will see when you start follow each other. Alright guys, and that's all the way to check following date on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.